All right, speaking of Tesla, they did a quiet little update to the Model Y, offering a standard range variant with the lowest price yet, which this was in question actually because Elon Musk at some point stated that they weren't going to do that model because he wasn't happy with the range on it. 244 miles EPA estimate. But they went ahead and did it. It's on his site, $41,990. That makes it the cheapest Model Y. The long-range model, $49,990 to start, and the performance model, just under $60,000. So decent little cost reduction right there. Quiet update. And the other thing they launched on the site for that model is the extra row of seating, which I don't know if you even knew you could get that in the Model Y. Of course, it's there in the Model X. Model Y is a bit smaller, but they do put a third row in there as an option now. It's a 7-seat option. It's a $3,000 option. Third row seating for 2. Easy entry into the third row. I'm a bit skeptical. USB-C charging back there. A sliding second row, which is kind of important probably to be able to get into the back. Fold flat second and third rows, and electronic fold flat releases in the trunk. This particular option not available on the performance model for some reason. It's on the long range or on the new standard range model. It's a 2 to 5 week lead time for that option in the US. I think it's going to be pretty cramped back there. So unless you're trying to put really small kids, and you're probably going to lose your entire trunk because the Model Y is not a huge vehicle, but I guess people want this, at least as an option. Big families with small kids could probably throw them in the back, the very back, and maybe get some peace and quiet up front.
There you go.
And by the way, that's a lot cheaper. Oh, why is it coming in $35,000? Is that because the one I have on this article has after potential savings? That's their thing with and then you save X amount of dollars per year because you don't use gas anymore.
Well, the purchase price.
Yeah, the real purchase price, $41,990. Yeah. Never mind the potential savings.